everyone and welcome to Enchanted Sparkle Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how I make these furry hair bows. To make them we need to use an A4 sheet of fur, we need a glittery strip for the centre, a clip, a needle and thread, we need a glue gun, and we also need a pair of scissors. So to make these we're going to start off by folding our A4 sheet of fur in half, and then we're going to cut straight down that middle fold. As you can see, you get loads of fur absolutely everywhere. You will look like a teddy bear when you have finished making these. Next we're going to fold it over again, and again we're just going to cut straight down that centre fold again. Next I'm just going to get rid of a little bit of the excess fur that is shedding off. It will stop shedding after a certain point, so don't worry about it endlessly shedding. And we're just going to cut off a few oddments just to straighten it out a little bit. Next we need our needle and thread, and we're going to sew the two ends together. So we're going to join it into a big circle, making sure that you sew it so that it's inside out at this stage. Now we're going to get some more thread on our needle. I would have usually kept it long and just carried on using the same bit for the next stage, but I cut it too short, so I'll get some more thread. Now we're going to turn our project inside out so it's now the correct way around, and we are going to find our centre point by stretching it out and then pushing it in together so that it joins at the centre, and then we're just going to sew this like a tuck's bow. So we're going to fold it in and fold it back down. We can't put any more folds in than that because the fabric is way too thick to put in any more than that, so we're just going to sew that in the middle and secure it tightly. Next we're going to glue our clip on. I'm just going to put the glue straight onto this clip and stick it onto the back of the bow. our centre strip, I'm going to put a dab of glue in the middle of the strip, and we need to pull the strip really tightly around the bow, because if you don't pull it tight at the back, then it's really bulky in the middle. So the tighter you pull it, the smaller the centre will look, and it just looks better that way. I'm going to trim down the back part of the bow a little bit here, just because you can see some of the backing of the fur through the front on the actual front of the bow, just from the back of it. So I'm just going to trim it down. You don't always need to do this, it depends on the actual fur that you're using. I've got other ones that are a little bit thinner and they don't tend to show the backing quite as much on them, so only trim if you really need to. At this stage I just pull out any little loose bits of fur, just so that no extra sort of sheds on your customer or in your own hair or whoever it's for, and it just gives it that nice little finished effect. These are all the fairy bows that I've made today. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch to the end if you want to see the winner of our 500 subscriber competition. Thank you everyone, bye. I'm going to draw the 500 subscriber competition. All of the names in here are the ones that I've entered. There's clearly not 500 tickets in here, but that's because, I'm just going to fold that back up because it's come undone. That's because not everybody who's subscribed has actually written their name down or got in touch and let us know how to contact them. So there's nowhere near 500 entries, but there is past 500 subscribers now. So I'm going to draw the winner of the competition. I'm just going to look it up and give it a shake. They're all mixed up. Let's see if I can actually open it. I can't tell here that my eyes are actually closed. Pick one out at random, and the winner is, there you go, it's Sarah Steele. As the name's written down like this and not like a username, this will be someone that's entered on the Facebook page. So I will get in touch with you, and congratulations on winning the 500 subscribers giveaway. I am going to do another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and I'll probably do a bigger prize for it. You can probably tell now that my throat's really bad and it's struggling to talk here, but yeah, I will be doing another giveaway for 1,000 subscribers, so stay subscribed and keep an eye out for that video to enter. Thanks everyone, bye.